Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery percentage not showing on your POCO M8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and restart your device to reset the battery sensor. So, not having battery percentage is abnormal. It's not normal at all, so we definitely want our battery percentage to be here. What you guys want to do is press the power button and the volume up button, and now as you guys can see, we are in this menu right here. We want to scroll down to reboot, and now our device is rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. So now, after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings, and here we need to enter the password after the restart. Wait for the phone to load everything up. Now we want to go over to settings, and here in those settings we want to go over and scroll down to notifications and status bar. Now in notifications and status bar, we want to go over to battery indicator. It's in the status bar section, and make sure that it's selected either like that, like the percentage in an icon, or simply the battery next to the icon like that. So after that, what you guys want to do is, of course, use the battery widget. So we can go over to the Play Store, and here search for battery Now Widget and Reborn. So this is the app by Thomas Hubalik. We want to click on it and install it. It's installing now. It's only 11 megabytes, so it's really nothing. And then what you guys want to do is click open, and here we want to click on consent first. Here we have the auto start, so the battery monitoring service is not currently running. If you want the application to work properly, you need to restart the service. So we want to start it automatically, and here we want to ignore the ads. If you're using an ad card for an example, then you won't have it. But here we can click simply on add widget, and here we can pick the widget type. Now we can simply go here, hold our finger, and go to widgets. Here we can scroll down until we find the exact widget, or we can just search for it right here for the app. So here we have it. Now we can add it to home screen, and we want to click here, and now we got our battery level in a widget like that. Here we can also enlarge it a bit. We can do that, and we can enlarge it, and that's how we can easily see our battery. Now if it's still not working, then what you guys want to do is go to the authorized device support center and tell them about the issue. And if you got the warranty, of course it's going to be a free repair. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.